Hello, hi. My first makeup tutorial in God knows how long. My first one of 2018. Let's get this shit poppin'. Welcome back to Cosmeholics Anonymous. I am your favorite baby mama bougie vintage, and today's video is a makeup tutorial. As always, you want to prime your face. I am using my Smashbox primer water. My skin looks a little crazy because I've been eating a lot of M&Ms. I actually just finished them yesterday. I've been eating cereal, which means I've been drinking cow's milk, which means I'm just covered in acne. Also to prime, I will be taking my Pro FILT'R Instant Retouch Primer.
That's a trap and I ain't going back. 30 hundreds and 100 pack. Dirty water in a Pyrex. I can flip and make a non-stress.
I am actually going to start with my eyes today. This is my NYX Proof It. This is my eyeshadow primer.
You gotta listen whenever I speak. I came with bags on them. I put that bag on them. All my killers, they coming to get you. They coming with masks on. I had to brighten that AMG. Push the button, watch it transform. I had that money in Jan Sports. Taking trips, no passport. Only do 100 on the dashboard.
For eyeshadow, I will be using this palette only. The first color I'm gonna go in with is Eden.
36 in a brick. Young nigga tryna get it. On one against the enemies. I remember taking losses. Bossed up, had it saucing. New plug out in Austin.
Okay, so just a really light hand on that first shade. Then we're gonna go ahead and take Saturn, and we're gonna liven up the crease a little bit.
All the better steady serving dirty. Find a stick and that's a dirty 30. Dip you down and sell LeBron, baby. High fashion what you born, baby. Popping perks like tags. Ain't no running out of that. I'm a monster and a savage.
And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with Parallel.
I was just sitting in trash. I turn a bitch to a stat. Them people know me as sex. Bring out the rest. I put it all in the vault. We play the game just a ball. Tucker just met. He told me give him a call. He coming through with it all. Fuck with the vest and the OGs. I woke up pissing out codeine. I had to ride for my codeines. Turn my friend to a dog.
So then we're gonna take Obsidian. And you can honestly do without the black, but I really just want that intensity.
Right off the porch. 14 gon' get it. 36 in a brick. Young nigga tryna get it. On one against the enemies. I remember taking losses. Bossed up, had it saucing.
So now taking my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, I am going to kind of cut the crease. And if you're wondering about my bonnet, I got it from Teeny Weeny Closets.
Bossed up, had it saucing. New plug out in Austin.
So now I'm just taking Parallel again and placing it above that crease. And now I'm going to take Unity and place it onto the eyelid directly. And on the inner corner, I'm just taking the shade Lucid, same palette. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and draw a wing liner.
Showing off and they love it. I just adapted to the hustle. Paper is
Now I am going to move on to La Visage. So of course I do need to correct my mommy circles. I don't be getting much sleep, but I try to get as much as I can. Having a baby is not a game. So I might look well rested. You guys tell me, do I look tired or do I look well rested? I had a nap today, so I shouldn't really look tired. I'm like using the viewfinder here. I never do that. And because I'm a hairy ass bitch and I refused to get rid of my mustache, I'm just gonna apply some orange concealer around my mouth area. For foundation today, I will be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear. I have the shade 6W1 Sandalwood. I wouldn't say it's a perfect match though, so just keep that in mind, okay? There was so much hype surrounding this foundation, and I was really excited to try it when I originally was purchasing it, but I cannot say that I would buy this foundation again. Like, the coverage is decent. I like the texture of the foundation itself, but I really don't care for the foundation as a whole. So the next thing I'm going to do is obviously conceal. I am going to use my Born This Way concealer. This one is in the shade Deep. And I'm also going to use my Kat Von D Lock-It Cream Concealer. The Kat Von D concealer is in the shade D33 Warm. Out the bright off the porch, 14 gon' get it, 36 in a brick, young nigga tryna get it, on one against the enemies, I remember taking losses, bounced up, had it saucing, new plug out in Austin, once I pull up ain't no coming back, once you re-up ain't no giving back, that's a trap and I ain't going back, 30 hundreds in 100 pack, dirty water in the Pyrex, I can flip and make a non-stretch, hundreds busting out the tech fleece, said the money make a thighs wet. Fucked up into toes in the streets. You gotta keep all your hoes on a leash. You gotta listen whenever I speak. I came with bags on them. I put that bag on them. I have my killers that coming to get you. They coming with masks on. I have to brighten that AMG. Push the button, watch it transform. I had that money in Jan Sports. Taking trips, no passport. Only do 100 on the dash. To contour, I will be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Cocoa. 14 gon' get it. 36 in a brick. Nigga tryna get it, on one against the enemies. I remember taking losses, bounced up, had it saucing. New plug out in Austin, out the bright off the porch. 14 gon' get it, 36 in a brick. Young nigga tryna get it, on one against the enemies. I remember taking losses, bounced up, had it saucing. New plug out in Austin. All the better steady serving dirty. Found a stick and that's a dirty 30. Drip you down and sell LeBron, baby. High fashion what you want, baby. Popping perks like tags. Ain't no running out of that. I'm a monster and a savage. Came from nothing, gotta have it. Told me get back to that track. So I'm obviously going to set my face with my banana powder. Bring out the rest. I put it all in the vault. We play the game just a ball. Tucker just met. He told me give him a call. He coming through with it all. Fuck with the vest and the OGs. I woke up pissing out codeine. I had to ride for my codeines. Turn my friend to a dope fiend. Cut off the snakes down Gucci. I cut her off cause she bougie. I turn these pretty bitches into groupies. I told my brother it's deeper than music. Contour, I am taking my Chocolate Soleil bronzer. On one against the enemies. I remember taking losses. Bounced up, had it saucing. New plug out in Austin. Out the bright off the porch. 14 gon' get it. 36 in a brick. Young nigga tryna get it. On one against the enemies. I remember taking losses. Now I'm going to dust away the baking powder. For blush, I am going to take my Bobbi Brown blush in Brown Berry. Highlight, I am going to take my Fenty Beauty in Moscow Mule. The highlight is something serious, honey. It's something serious. Oh my god. To fill in my brows, I am going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in chocolate. Y'all already know I don't be fighting with my eyebrows. If they don't turn out the same, it is what it is. I don't even bother fighting with them anymore. I'm getting too fucking old to fight with my brows. Like, too old. I'm going to go back into my palette now and do my bottom eyelid. So I'm going to take Eden and Saturn and put it on this outer part here. I would line my waterline with black right now, but I forgot my black pencil and I'm too lazy to go get it. So we're not going to use anything on the bottom there. For eyelashes, I am going to be taking my Lady Lashes in La Belle. And I pre-cut these lashes so because I wore them already. So usually with mink lashes, you have to cut them down to size. At the family reunion, who you introducing? Who we introducing? This my cousin Bo. I forgot to spray my face. I forgot to spray my face and I just put mascara on, so it's gonna have to wait about a year. So let me just light my lips. I'm using Bittersweet by MAC. At the family reunion, who we introducing? Wham bam, thank you ma'am. So I am gonna be taking my Midnight Wasabi or whatever by Fenty Beauty. Okay, first of all, we're gonna stop sweating because it's not cute. And hello. I actually need you guys to tell me if you want me to do a swatch video, even though there's like 100,000 of them on YouTube already, of all of the Fenty Beauty lipsticks. I have all of them. I just feel like it's mad late and it's pointless to do because you guys have seen it on everybody. But I know how YouTube gets down, so if you guys want me to do it, just let me know and I'll try to get it done. You know, a bitch is a bitch is cute is what a bitch is. Yeah, y'all know how YouTube gets down. Everybody be uploading the same damn thing. So just let me know if you guys want to see the swatches on me. Let me make sure there's no lipstick on my teeth. We're Gucci. Yeah, let me know if you want to see all of the lipsticks swatched on your girl, because I can get it done. Maybe you guys know I've been busy with the baby. But yeah, this is the finished look. It's actually inspired by this girl I'm following. I am freaking obsessed with her. I did the look the other day, but I was wearing something else. Bow T suit. Girl, I don't know. But this is the original look. That's the original look. And this is my look. I actually like hers better. But she's the OG, so obviously I'm gonna like it better. Duh. But yeah, that's basically where this look was inspired from, and I'm obsessed with it, and I love it, and yeah. I hope you guys like it too. I guess that's really it. I love you all, and I will definitely see you in the next one.